Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing 1033 River Crossing Condo. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Located 10 miles from Myrtle Beach and 16 miles from Sunset Beach, 1033 River Crossing Condo offers accommodations in North Myrtle Beach. The kitchen is fitted with a dishwasher and an oven. A TV is featured. Myrtle Beach Airport is 12 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.